Introducing HybridJet by Carrier, my dear. The next big leap in cooling technology. A revolutionary cooling technology that uses a combination of air and refrigerant to cool your home like never before. The unique design of HybridJet allows it to cool down the compressor by drawing in outside air. This helps to not only increase the longevity of the compressor but also increases the cooling efficiency of the compressor. The cooling of PCB by refrigerant is a patented feature that has gained widespread appreciation, all because of its revolutionary design that utilizes the refrigerant to circulate along the outdoor unit PCB, thereby cooling down the working temperature of the PCB and increasing its longevity and efficiency.
Thank you for watching my video.
Like, share, subscribe.